Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and today we'll be doing a fish. Okay,
You can make this with A4 paper or colored A4 paper.
okay, come let's do this. First, from a corner, you should fold it like this. Okay, fold it like this. As you fold this side like this. After that, take your scissor and just okay. As you do like this, there'll be a line over here. This side you should fold like this. So here, just cut it off. And snap down the middle and like this. And do like this. After that, make it the other side and do the other side. After that, you make it like this. After doing like this, just see if this is like this. After that, you fold this part like this. Like this. Now we will be doing the tail of the fish. Now we are going to do the tail. And you fold this like this. And once more, you fold this like this. And small piece. Cut this small piece off. Yes. Now you will be attaching this to this. I don't have glue, so I am using my staple. And now see that I have staplered. Now we are going to draw the eyes. Okay. You try this at home. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if this wish is good, just hit in the comment. Thank you.